What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Man, this mall's packed as hell, dude. But yeah, they got a bunch of secret shops. Ontario, Mills. Let's start with Footlocker. Man, most of the malls I've been to have been pretty dead. Not here, no recessions here. All right, let's go check out Footlocker. Let's go. Dude, got these right here. Damn, that's the cheapest we've seen these, I think, right? Questions. Going for hella cheap. Uh-oh. That's the other stuff too. Forget that. All right, we got these. All right, that's cool. Got some answers right here, more questions, and then Insta pumps. I'm just not a fan of Insta pumps. And then look at these. Look at these. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna have to grab one? I don't really want to, but holy crap. This is my size right here. This is kind of like a Niners colorway, dude. I think this is based on the Power Rangers, right? Yeah, it's based on the Power Rangers. That's $70. Holy crap. It'd be $70 after tax and everything, because I do have a survey coupon. Be able to use it $10, and that would actually be under $70 after the tax and everything, huh? I like this colorway better than that one, though. Even though that's a Niners colorway, this is just a better colorway, in my opinion. I'll ask if they have any 10.5s. I doubt they will, though. I doubt it. Oh my goodness. That's a Niners colorway, right, man? Definitely a Niners colorway. They're getting their ass whooped today. It is Sunday. They're getting their ass whooped, but at least I got some Niners colorway. Reeboks, I guess. Alright, so apparently I took the last pair of the Power Rangers colorway. This one, they only have a 7.5. All right, I guess y'all should check your local Foot Lockers. I'll post it on Instagram so some of y'all can see. These still going down. These go down even further. I'm telling you, I'll probably get one of them. I just like I like the material on them. This one's pretty dope too. Such long hair suede. And then which is this a collab with somebody? Who's this a collab with? Oh, the Jurassic Park. That's funny. Okay. Man, they was charging $2 for those originally. What the hell? Reebok section looking hella nice. Hella nice. Well, a little less nice now that I took the last one of those off. All right, we have been seeing the Lowlands on sale. Man, look at that. These are pretty comfy, man. Material pretty decent. Man, I'm a fan of these. Dude, got one. Probably gonna get more, especially if they're that price. And then dude got the skate lows right here. Got a ton of those on sale. The old schools as well. Another old school right there. Of course, gotta check out the Jordan section. The Jordan 13 and Obsidian, pretty much the only thing they have here. Got the Lucas right next to them, and look at how much like they just pack all the sneakers in. Like, oh my God, sneakers that got no room to breathe, nothing. Dude got the Zion ones on sale right there, but that's about it. Dude got the On Pearl colorway of the KD 15s right here. These just came out. They're okay. They're all right. I've never been like the hugest fan of the On Pearl lineup. Up tempos, but seeing those like crazy. I'm surprised those aren't on sale. Starting to see superstars on sale even at the retail shops as well as the Adidas outlet. That's pretty freaking dope. The Gazelles, we've seen that. Like that colorway is dope too. Also got the gray ones on sale, which are fire. And then look at this. This is cheaper than the Adidas outlet, especially if you use a survey coupon. Make sure you guys keep filling those out whenever you guys get them. This is huge though. It's like a size 13, something like that. All the other Ultra Boosts, they're on sale, but nothing crazy. Then we got the Harden 6s right here. Okay, all right. Got Boost on them. All right, I don't really know too much about them. They look all right. Damn, I told myself I'm not gonna buy any more sneakers until then. Until the Jordan 1 holidays come out. The what is it called? The Chicago Reimagined. I don't know. They have different names for them. But yeah, I said I'm not gonna buy any more. But this is just crazy cheap, so I gotta get them. All right, let's go. Let's go. So after tax, $64 after tax. Holy crap! Man, what a steal! What a steal! Holy crap! That was freaking fire, dude. That was fire. $100 off, pretty much. All right, let's go. Let's go. Next stop, Champs, man. I'm all excited now that I got this crazy deal. All right, let's look around. I've been looking to see if they got those champion slippers, those fluffy slippers, and they don't have them almost anywhere now. Maybe they sold them for $10, $15 now. So everybody jumped on them. This is the Jordan section. 36s, 37s, the ones that blew out on the NBA court right there. All right, continue to search. The latest colorway. And I like this one too. This is like a cream color with the red and the blue. I like this one, but shoot, 160 versus I paid what, 50 for mine? Yeah, I paid 50 for mine. Oh yeah, man. 50. No, it was 60. I paid 60 and then got a discount on top of that. No, I'm good. I'd rather get mine for $100 off. And ooh, is this the latest colorway of the question? This is fire, dude. I like it. It's just a very simple black, white. Got that icy bottom. Ooh, these are fire. 142. Man, that's dope. That's dope. Then the weird colorway of the kamikaze, the suede version. These were always nubuck, weren't they? They were always nubuck. This is suede, go for $100, down from 120. Got the latest of the answers right there, and then got these on sale as well. Okay. They got a bunch of Vans on sale. What's this? The Cruise? The Cruise 2, not wearing this one. The Lowlands, got these on sale. One with teddy bears on it. Keep Earth Clean, treat it right. Okay. All right. And then a bunch of the Skate Lows on top on sale. 574s on sale. We've seen a bunch of those, and I've shown y'all a bunch of those already. Got this is a Pro Standard. This is the Pro Standard one, right? Yeah, with all the Lakers emblems, and then also got LeBron right there. Yeah, this is fire. This is fire. $110. Do get 20% off. Then got the cement right there, cement colorway, the elephant colorway right there with the red Lakers. I don't really understand the color scheming on this one. Those I understand a lot more. Those go for $100. Got 25% off of those as well. NBA off. NBA apparel 50% off. Is that all this Mitchell & Ness stuff right here? What? Does that mean all that stuff as well? They don't really say on it. If you can get all this for 50% off, you know what I'm saying? Like that's pretty fire. That's pretty fire. Ooh, I've never even seen this one. That looks crazy. That looks crazy. Looks like it's like 4D or something. That looks trippy. And then I like the classic. I like the classic. I like these Johnson ones. Yep, I like those. This is kind of a little too wacky, and the players never played in those. But isn't that NBA apparel too? So that's 25% off, but I don't know. It looks like it's just that. That's 50% off. The select styles percentage. I don't know. They always do a terrible job of kind of showing what's on sale here at Champs. But yeah, they got sales. They got sales. All right, let's go to the next stop. Go to the next spot. There is a Locker Room by Liz. No crazy sales though, so we're gonna hit them up in December. Holy crowd! Like these crowds are insane. Crowds are insane. Shoe Palace. Got one of those. Okay. Oh, they have a pottery outlet here. Holy crap! I didn't know that. Do got plenty of Jordans here. That is pretty fire. Got these 5 thingies right here. Got some mids facing the wrong way because all the other Jordans are facing that way. $125 for these regular mids. Got lows. Dude got the Brotherhoods. These are size 8.5. $180 for those now. Got the Visionaires. I can't believe they still have Visionaires in some of the stores. Only Shoe Palace seems to have them. Dude got the Oreo 6s going for $2. It's crazy because these sold out and then places started getting them back, and then they didn't sell. Like, kind of crazy. Georgetown 6s, Court Purple 13s. Crazy to see these. Like, I love that 3M, especially like late at night when it's dark as hell outside. Those look fire, dude. Got the 13s, the Del Sols right there. More mids, some dubs, zeros. Like I said, the Jumpman Pros, Zion 2s. Dude got some center courts right there. Okay. And then the sevens, man. They're like way high up there because nobody likes them. Damn, see, some of these spots got stuff cheaper than the outlets. That's crazy. Superstars, you rarely ever see Superstars on sale. The NMDs, remember the NMDs were all like pretty much 100, 120 bucks at the outlets. Hopefully you guys saw my video from yesterday. The Stan Smiths got 2 different flavors going for way cheap because normally they're what? 80, 90 bucks, something way too high. And then got Ultra Boost, way cheaper than the Adidas outlets. 90 for those, 90 for those, and then 130 for those. And I still got the old school stuff like the Sambas here too. Okay. $70 for these. Damn, dude, if I didn't buy the Reeboks today, I might think about these. These are pretty fly, dude. These are dope. Man, I need a pair of T-Max too, because the contract's done, so they might not make it anymore. In the women's section, got some Ultra Boosts up there. Got these right here, look very similar to the Kenny. Oh my God, they killed Kenny. NMDs right here. Y'all need some generic shorts, $15, $20 for, is that the Aaliyah ones right there? Hella cheap, hella cheap. BOGO on the Jordan shorts right here. Holy crap. Wow, wow, everything's on sale now. And y'all need some sports bras, some generic sports bras, $10. Holy guacamole. This matching shorts out there going for 50% off. And these are, I don't remember, these are pretty short. These are pretty cheap. I mean, these are the Mason article ones, or these the other ones? Yeah, $15, and then are they 50% off on top of that? Holy crap, pretty much free. The Sacre brand, I believe. And then more generic shorts going for 15 bucks. Holy crap. Marilyn Monroe, you want Marilyn Monroe on your shirt? That's 15 bucks. Damn, they're getting rid of all kinds of apparel here. Holy crap, the Aaliyah hoodies down to 25. All the pants down to 15. Damn. Dude, got the pennies right there. It's too crowded though. All right, let's go. On to the next one. All right, there is a Pro Image here. Look at their sale. That's actually a ridiculous sale. Swingman jerseys go for 100 bucks. The women's swingman's going for 80, and then the shorts go for 60. Y'all have seen those shorts many times. I've shown y'all. So, all right, that's good to know. If you guys need that stuff, go check it out. I'm gonna wait till December when they really go on sale. All right, we got one more store. We do have Finishline. And let's go check it out. Checking out the Lenschat section and just not really finding much. Got a bunch of those champion size. Got the budget Stephen Curry's right there, and then the wannabe mids right here. I know some people can say, hey, those came out way before. Whatever, dude. Nobody knows the top 10, dude. I'm sorry. Yeah, dude, got this stuff. Nothing too crazy. Surprise, surprise. These are on sale. We've been seeing these on sale everywhere. Gold toes, the bread, patent breads. Then we have been seeing these on sale quite a few spots. Hopefully they continue to go down, because I might get one of these. These are the lows right here. I like the mid ones a little bit better. They look a little, I like the white and university blue one of those. Weird, because these were on sale. They're on sale for $130. Okay. They've been on bigger sales at some of the other spots. And then pretty much just got mids. Got those right there. Now we've seen the forums on sale lately. JD Sports and stuff. We've seen them on sale here as well. And I think that's it, dude. I think that's it. Do see a bunch of things on sale, but nothing like noteworthy. Nothing that y'all are dying to look at. I don't know if you guys, if I'm missing something, let me know. In the meantime, did grab these for hella cheap. So, nana boo boo, I won. Dope. All right, let's go. Let's wrap it up. Playing the Keymaster. I forgot to tell him, don't do it, fool. Don't do it. Waste of money.